Ulsan, South Korea, the center of industrial plants, is home to IlJin Energy Co., Ltd., which has been growing since its establishment in 1989 with a goal of 100% defect-free and 100% customer satisfaction. IlJin Energy Co., Ltd. is a comprehensive plant company that covers the design and manufacturing of chemical equipment, industrial equipment, plant design and construction, maintenance, and processing. Based on our rich design capabilities, we possess in-house manufacturing capabilities and excellent construction skills, building our reputation under the motto of doing our best in everything. Factory 1, located near Onsan Port in Ulsan, has an area of 30,000 square meter and a workspace of 13,000 square meter. Factory 2 is situated 5.3 kilometers away from Ulsan Port and has a total site area of 14,000 square meter and a workspace of 7,300 square meter. In particular, Factory 3 features a 3,500 square meter machine shop and a spacious 15,000 square meter storage area, allowing for precision machining with large equipment. The CNC drilling and plasma bevel machine can process up to 6,000 millimeter and 30 meter in length, maximizing the production capabilities of large pressure vessels and reactors. Various machining equipment such as vertical turning, milling machines, and lathes enable the precise manufacturing of complex designs. In the forming area, we utilize a variety of large roller equipment, including 70-ton and 50-ton rollers, to shape metal up to a width of 3,500 millimeter. In addition, we perfectly support the production of large structures with turning rollers and shearing machines. We also have advanced equipment in the welding field. By utilizing various welding equipment such as 500 ampere TIG, welding 1,500 ampere submerged ARC, and 20 kilowatt ARC, we achieve precise and stable connections. The large CNC plasma cutting and automatic cutting machines can cut metals up to 16 meter in length, maximizing production efficiency. Heavy lifting equipment such as cranes, truck cranes, and 15-ton forklifts support a safe and swift workflow. Quality control is also thorough. We verify the perfection of our products with various testing equipment such as ultrasonic hydraulic testers, hardness testers, and PMI, prioritizing customer satisfaction above all. IlJin Energy Co., Ltd. manufactures and installs equipment such as heat exchangers, pressure vessels, reactors, and towers, and is capable of producing large devices with a maximum diameter of 6,000 millimeter and a length of 60,000 millimeter. Representative projects include the Iraq Basra refinery, the Nigeria IEFCL2 project, and the domestic Lada chemical vessel and piping installation. From the design and manufacturing of chemical equipment to plant construction and maintenance, IlJin Energy Co., Ltd. strives to ensure the success and safety of its customers every day. IlJin Energy Co., Ltd. is creating the future with trust and technology.